Hi, as you see in the title of this video, I have a challenge for you. The challenge is, don't make any noise or any sound while watching this video. Also, there are some rules. Speeding up, skipping, or leaving the video equals fail. Okay, are you ready? The challenge has started. Let me show you what happened when I tried it myself. I'm back. Where have you been? I have been searching. Searching for what? For the most difficult challenge in the world. I thought your last challenge was the most difficult. Well, wait until you hear this. Okay, what are you waiting for? Tell me the challenge. I don't think you are ready. I was born ready. No. I don't think you understand how difficult this challenge is. I understand. But easy peasy. Okay, suit yourself. The challenge is don't make a noise for 30 seconds. I have only one question. What question? When do we start? In 3, 2, 1. Wow, I have never seen you this quiet before. 5 minutes later. Hey, do you remember the giant mosquito from a couple weeks ago? It's right behind you. Just kidding. I made that up. There is no mosquito. 2 seconds later. Nada. See, you lost like you always do. Have you still not made a noise? Wait a second. I want to show you something. Do you see this puppy? Someone is accidentally about to step on it. Tell them to stop before it's too late. Oh, never mind. They saw the puppy. It's safe now. But something else happened. You have class, and the teacher is asking, who's here? Whoever answers will not get homework next week. All you have to do is to say your name. Oh, you didn't say anything. I guess you must really like homework then. By the way, I don't think you can like and subscribe without making a sound. Please just make a sound, so I know you are alive. Please? Okay, I give up. You win. Cheers.